now that you've understood that there are two origins to complexity, one, the fact that you can that slight differences in the initial conditions make big differences after a number of iterations. And since you can never measure corrective management, you will always have this cause to chaos. You've equally understood that the approximation of a continuous function by a discontinuous approximation will at a certain point, and depending on the value of the multiplier, cause chaos. Now, why is that important in management? For the very simple reason that what we do in management is that we always approximate a continuous reality, which is the reality out there, by a discontinuing steps of decisions, right? So what we cannot decide continuously, the world moves continuously. So as a manager, we always approximate continuous phenomena by discontinuous decisions. So you cannot avoid the second reason of chaos. So I can guarantee you one thing: if you have a complex situation, and all managerial situations are complex, which is not complicated, so complex, non-linear, dynamic, you will have eventually chaos. Now, I already mentioned Lorentz. Lorentz was a meteorologist, and Lorentz, as I said, used the three variable system that you see there. Of course, again, it's a dynamic system since it is a continuous dynamic system, as you see, and it is nonlinear since in the last equation you see x times y, which means that you multiply two variables. So you have, again, a slightly nonlinear system. Where the previous equation was a simple equation, it gave a very, very complicated pattern of chaos. I'll show you can see a little movie, a little video about the Lorentz butterfly, and you'll see that the picture that gets out of the Lorentz butterfly is a very, very simple one. Now, just as much as you've seen the points on the parabole and that these are attractors that attract the phenomena, in the Lorentz curve you'll see only two attractors. And many people will call the Lorentz curve an illustration of the butterfly effect for reasons that also will be rapidly explained in the video.